Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Greg the Vibe Coder. HTML is done. 3 lessons, 3 games, all in your browser. Now we're moving into Python. This is lesson 2.1, Hello Vibe. And it's a big moment because this is your first real programming language. HTML is a markup language. Python is different. Python thinks, it asks questions, it remembers what you type, it responds. Today we're building a program that asks your name and how you're feeling, then prints a personalized, encouraging message back to you. Same 4 steps as always. Let's go. Before we start, you need Python installed. If you don't have it yet, go to python.org, download the latest version, and run the installer. One important thing, make sure you tick Add Python to Path before clicking Install. That one checkbox saves a lot of headaches. Idle comes included with Python automatically. Once it's installed, search for Idle in your Start menu and open it. Idle is your Python editor. It's simple, it's free, and it's all you need for these lessons. Step 1. Copy the prompt. Here it is. Write a simple Python program that greets the user by name. Ask, "What is your name?" Then, "How are you feeling today?" Then print a personalized, encouraging message about vibe coding. Use input and print. Keep it friendly and fun. I'm copying that now. Step 2, paste into AI, new chat, paste, enter. There it is, a complete Python program, input to ask the questions, print how to respond, variables storing what you type, all from one prompt. I didn't type a single line. Step 3, run the code. I'm going to IDLE now, file arrow, new file. A blank editor window opens, Ctrl+V to paste the code in. File arrow, save as arrow, name it greeting.py. Save it somewhere easy to find. Now press F5 to run it. It's asking me my name. I'll type Greg and hit enter. Now it's asking how I'm feeling. Let me say, amazing. And there it is, a personalized message, printed to the screen, responding to what I typed. That's your first Python program. Step 4, the vibe tweak. Open greeting.py in IDLE. Find the encouraging message the AI wrote, the one it prints at the end. Change it to something you would actually say to a beginner, something that sounds like you. Save, press F5 again. That message is yours now. You just wrote your first line of Python. Not generated, written, yours. Extra credit. Want to go further? Go back to your AI and paste this. Add a random complement to the greeting program. Each time it runs, print a different complement chosen randomly from a list of 5. Use the random module. Copy it from the lesson page. There's a copy button right there. What happens? Every time the program runs, it picks a different complement from a list. Run it 3 times and get 3 different messages. That's the random module, one of Python's built-in tools. You just used it without knowing how it works, but you used it, and it works. Before we finish, think about this. Was it strange not having to type the print statements yourself? Look at the code. Can you find where it stores your name after you type it? That's a variable. That's one of the most important concepts in programming, and you already used one. That's lesson 2.1 done. Next up is lesson 2.2, the number guessing game. The computer picks a random number between 1 and 20. You guess. It tells you too high or too low. Can you win? Links to everything are below. The free lesson pages, the full course playlist, and the companion Kindle book. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in lesson 2.2.